Easy slowly. 7 and walk. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 8, 7 and 8. Roll. 1, 2, shuffle. 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and start again. Yeah, I explained the tag real quick. We will do that 2 times in the whole song. It's 8 counts, and it's a little bit your own thing. I face to the front. You finish 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We step to the side swivel. 1, 2, which is a pose. It's your own pose. I don't care. You do make a nice pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bounce around, 7 and 8, and weight ends on the left foot, so we be ready to start again. Walk right, left, kick, one step, 2, do.